Dewa, have you decided which university you are going to enroll in?
I have several options in mind, Ida. How about you?
I have finally decided on a university. I like to study computer science at Nusa University.
That's great. Have you submitted your application?
I'd like to submit my application as soon as possible, Dewa. The problem is, I'm not sure the step to apply to a university.
Don't worry about that. I'm not familiar either, but we can always look it up on the internet. This is a useful article that I found, Ida. It has the complete steps on how to apply to a university. Let's read it together. How to apply to a university. You are about to finish high school and you have decided on a university you would like to attend. These are the things you need for your university application. University application letter, completed application forms, high school grades reports, test scores and other qualification. If you have all the above requirements ready, here are the steps you can follow to apply to a university. First, get information about key dates and deadlines. Go on the university website or call the admission department to get all the key dates, when to submit what. Don't forget to note down the application deadlines. Second, check the entry requirement. Entry requirements are criteria set by the university to screen the prospective students. These requirements vary depending on the university and the major that you choose. Some university or major might have tougher entry requirements than others. However, common requirements usually consist of an application letter, completed application forms, high school grade reports, and test scores, such as an English proficiency test score. Third, submit your application. Once you have checked and fulfilled all the requirements needed, it's time to submit your application to your dream university. You will need to submit your application along with the required document online, by post, or directly to the university. 4. Follow through with the application process. Finally, you will wait to hear back from the university. Make sure to follow through with the application process. Interviews are often scheduled by admissions officer, and in which case, you will need to practice.
Teman-teman, teks yang baru saja diperlihatkan Dewa adalah salah satu bentuk procedure text atau teks prosedur. Teks prosedur bertujuan untuk menjelaskan bagaimana sesuatu dilakukan melalui sebuah sequence langkah-langkah. Seperti contoh, teks yang dibacakan oleh Dewa. Teks tersebut bertujuan untuk memberikan informasi tentang langkah-langkah yang dapat diikuti untuk mendaftarkan diri ke sebuah universitas. Bagaimana sebuah teks prosedur ditulis? Seperti yang kita lihat dari teks yang diperlihatkan Dewa, sebuah teks prosedur dimulai dengan judul yang merupakan goal atau tujuan dari prosedur yang dijelaskan. Hal ini kemudian diikuti oleh list of materials atau daftar material atau daftar hal-hal yang dibutuhkan untuk mengikuti prosedur yang akan dijelaskan. Terakhir, teks prosedur dilanjutkan dengan procedure atau langkah-langkah yang dijelaskan dengan urut untuk memenuhi sebuah prosedur. Bagian ini adalah inti dari teks prosedur dan dapat terdiri dari beberapa paragraf atau poin. Sekarang, mari kita isi informasi dari teks yang diperlihatkan oleh Dewa ke dalam tabel analisis teks prosedur. Pertama, goal atau judul teks tersebut adalah How to apply to a university. Setelah itu, kita dapat menemukan list of materials atau daftar hal-hal yang diperlukan untuk mengikuti prosedur tersebut, yang dimulai dengan kalimat These are the things you need for your university application, yang diikuti oleh daftar materialnya, yaitu University Application Letter, Completed Admission Forms, High School Grade Reports, Test Scores, and other qualifications. Kemudian, kita dapat melihat langkah-langkah yang merupakan bagian prosedur dari teks tersebut. Langkah pertama dimulai dengan Get information about the key dates and deadlines. Langkah kedua adalah Check the entry requirements. Langkah ketiga adalah submit your application. Dan langkah terakhir adalah follow through with the application process.
Thanks a lot, Dewa. The article is really informative.
Anytime. So, what are you going to do now?
According to the article, the first step is to get information on the key dates of the admission. I guess I won't waste more time and will call the admission department immediately.
I admire your enthusiasm, but our English class is starting now, Ida.
Procedure text adalah teks yang bertujuan untuk menjelaskan bagaimana sesuatu dilakukan melalui sebuah sequence langkah-langkah. Struktur teks prosedur adalah sebagai berikut ini. Demikian pembelajaran kita hari ini. Goodbye for now.